If you're looking for a great 5G smartphone at an affordable price, your search might soon be over. Because Nokia is about to launch a powerhouse smartphone for you, packed with a 200-megapixel camera and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia Magic Max 5G. So, if you're interested in buying this smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today we're going to reveal all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this amazing device. So let's start. Features of Nokia Magic Max 5G. This stunning smartphone comes with a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, featuring a 144 Hz refresh rate, and 390 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it includes an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. And guess what? It's also IP68 rated, making it dust and water resistant. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, this phone doesn't disappoint. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, led by a 200-megapixel primary sensor, along with 50-megapixel and a 5-megapixel secondary cameras. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, to capture those perfect shots. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Magic Max 5G runs on the latest Android 16, and is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. Battery backup. And here's the best part, it packs a huge 6800 mAh battery, with 90-watt fast charging, and a USB Type-C port, so you can stay powered up all day without worry. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $750. And as for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned for updates.